The play is based on energy and water conservation in Ladakh and West Bengal. The stage is set near a petrol station in Ladakh. Two people, Ladakh and West Bengal, are standing near the solar panel and discussing about the progress in Ladakh and West Bengal.
Hello Bengal, how are you brother?
Yes, Sister Ladakh, I am fine. What about you? Though I have heard a lot about your growing progress day by day.
Yes brother, I am fine too. Indeed, what you say is right. Over the past few decades, my conditions have really changed. My children have been able to conserve a lot of my energy.
Yes, I have heard a lot about it. My progress is also good. Maybe not as well as yours, but I have also progressed rapidly. Would you like to pay a visit to my place?
Yes brother, sure.
The scene keeps to West Bengal. Sister, this is South 24 Parganas. I have Sundarban, the greatest delta and Royal Bengal tiger, and beaches of Bakhali. Now let's go to Kultali. The scene keeps to Kultali. See, this is the Piali River basin, an estuarine river with regular tidal influx, with emphasis house have chosen. A scheme has been introduced called Jalatirtha, under which major conservation has taken place in Bankura, Chaigram, Purulia. Also Sister Ladakh, under the scheme of Jal Dharo Jal Bharo, 2000 ponds have been dug. Also, 800 check dams have been constructed. Let's move to another branch of mine, Murshidabad. The scene keeps to Murshidabad, Farakka Dam. The Farakka Dam was set up to divert quantity of Ganga waters to Bhagirathi Hooghly river system. The saline water reduces and sweet water is supplied to my children. Now, sister, want to visit Paschim Midnapur?
Yes brother, let's visit.
This is Kanzavati Dam. It not only serves water but also supplies water for irrigation. Sister, do you know many dams of mine have solar energy? Solar energy, wind energy thermal power stations have been constructed. Out of 13,945 projects of mine, 141 are solar powered. Sister, several solar trees, solar worker heating systems have been set up. Remember about Sundarban, a part of mine. Every single house is powered by solar energy. Not only Sundarban, but solar energy have set up in my other branches like Bakuria, Purulia as well.
Brother Bengal, I am overwhelmed at your beauty and your children's work. Now let's visit my place.
Since kids to Ladakh.
Most of my energy is provided by wind and sun. Nearly 1 lakh megawatt of power is released by windmills, and many of my children are benefited by that. Also, a part of my Khaldo village runs on 5000 megawatt of energy given by sun. Due to Himalayas, most of my electricity doesn't reach my children, and petrol and diesel also are of much value. Therefore, sun and wind provide me energy. Let's see about how my children have conserved water.
Since kids to the glacier.
Brother, my children conserve water by making ice stupas, a farm of artificial glaciers where winter water is stored in form of ice. During summer, these ice melts and provides water. One of children, Sonam Wangchuk, has received a prize for it also. I am so proud.
Oh sister, I am so happy for you. But I think someone is coming. We must become silent again or else they will come to know about us.
Two people enter. One of them is a girl and another is a boy. The girl belongs to West Bengal. Her name is Rashi. She has came to visit a friend, Saring Das Daisen, who belongs to Ladakh. They enter with having small quarrel.
Baby, I understand that Ladakh has progress in energy and water conservation. But the way you represent West Bengal isn't good. The way I represent West Bengal is correct. West Bengal has little means of hope. Ladakh has enormous chances. Baby, I guess you have a limited knowledge of West Bengal. Do you know? Many houses are now run by solar energy. We may not have reached the point of being totally furnished by solar energy. But in a way, of few years we will. Ladakh has no means of hope as well. Don't be in imagination. We furnish our houses by solar energy only. Electricity is limited and moreover West Bengal has such means of solar energy. So why aren't they able to furnish everything by that? It's only of no willpower. Oh, is it? We use hydro energy as well. We are very good at operating thermal energy. Big dams ensure good hydro energy. And many districts have been benefited by that. Do you know? Thermal power stations have been set up in Kolaghat, Bakhriswar, Bandel and many more. We have progressed much in thermal energy and it's sustainable as well. Moreover, you will have a solar energy and that too there are not much chances. But the sun will be there forever. Okay, let's leave this. Tell me about water conservation. Has there been any progress in West Bengal? Mr. Sonam Wangchuk has ensured a better future for us. Ice stupas have been ensured to ensure water all year round. Do you know for him, we have got a chance at the United Nations Energy Conservation. West Bengal surely does not have any saving scheme. Devi, how can a person be so ignorant? West Bengal has a various schemes like Jal Ditsa Jal Bharu. All these schemes have ensured more water supply to the people. Dams have been set up to ensure more water capacity. Okay, sorry. I may have hurted your feelings, but don't you think West Bengal should try to program more in this field? I am sorry to Devi. I was rude. Yes, I agree that West Bengal must progress more. It will benefit us only. By the way, what's for dinner? I'm so hungry. Let's go home.
No matter where, people should switch over more sustainable measures of energy and water conservation. Today, we take a pledge to conserve more energy no matter from where we belong, because it will ultimately benefit our next generation only. Thank you.